Hi everyone, I'm Suhasini from Living with Nature, and today I'm going to talk about how I maintain the beautiful foliage and how I polish all my indoor plants and keep them all looking healthy, bright and shiny. So let's get into the video.
You only require a few basic things like some material to clean, a spray bottle, neem oil, some water, and some dish soap. Now, here I'm also showing hydrogen peroxide, so you can either choose between either of them. I mostly use neem oil because it's natural and organic, and hydrogen peroxide on days when I feel that my plant has been attacked by aphids or mealybug. So just add a few drops of neem oil into a clean bowl of water. Just add half a teaspoon of soap. Give it all a good mix. Dip the cleaning cloth and start cleaning that beautiful foliage. Please give some gentle support to the leaves because the leaves are quite delicate and we don't want to harm them. So here the presence of the oil, here neem oil, it gives that beautiful sheen and glossiness to the leaves, but it also protects the plant against any fungal infection or insects like aphids or mealybugs. So if you use this practice maybe once a month or in some 40-45 days, it maintains the overall plant health. I don't normally use this mixture every week or once in every 15 days. For that, I just use my regular spray bottle, add some water, and just mist it all over the plants. It gives them good hydration and doesn't let dust stick to the plants. For plants like pothos and money plant, arrowhead, syngonium, because there are a lot of leaves, so of course cleaning each leaf isn't quite convenient and it's pretty time consuming. So for these plants, I just take them to the bathroom or to the kitchen sink and I just put them under some gentle water, and the plant gets hydrated. And you can do this technique on the days on which you want to water your plants so that the plant gets hydrated and at the same time the leaves are also clean. Here you can see that my philodendron, I've just cleaned the leaves and it's looking quite glossy and beautiful. Here, neem oil is the key because it's an insect repellent, but the oil gives that beautiful glossiness and shine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Um, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.